Ever wondered if there's a better way to maximize your portfolio income? We're living in a world where financial security and growth are paramount. The key to achieving this? Diversification and smart investing. With the right strategies and tools, you can turn your financial dreams into reality. Let's talk about maximizing portfolio income. It's not about the get-rich-quick schemes or gambling on the next big thing. Instead, it's about understanding the market, making informed decisions, and investing in assets that provide stable and consistent returns. And that's where dividend exchange-traded funds, or ETFs, come into the picture. But not all dividend ETFs are created equal. Some offer higher yields, some provide more stability, and some strike a balance between the two. The trick is to find the ones that align with your financial goals and risk tolerance. So, are you ready to take your portfolio to the next level? We've got 3 potential game changers for you: SCHD, VYM, and VIG. These are not just any dividend ETFs. They're among the cream of the crop, each offering unique benefits that could make a significant impact on your portfolio income. First up, we have SCHD, or the Schwab US Dividend Equity ETF. This ETF is known for its focus on high-quality, dividend-paying US companies. Next, we have VYM, the Vanguard High Dividend Yield ETF, which targets companies with higher-than-average dividend yields. And last but not least, we have VIG, the Vanguard Dividend Appreciation ETF, which seeks companies that have a record of increasing their dividends. These 3 ETFs have the potential to be game changers for your portfolio. They offer a way to tap into the profits of successful companies while also providing the stability that comes from diversified investing. But, as with any investment, it's essential to understand what you're getting into. So, buckle up as we delve into the world of these 3 dividend ETFs. Stay tuned, because we've got valuable insights, surprising facts, and a special tip coming up that you won't want to miss. Hello viewers, if you are enjoying this content, and you do not want to miss future videos filled with even more tips, tricks, and inspiration, hit that subscribe button now to stay tuned with us, and remember to comment and share. Let's begin with SCHD. But what exactly is SCHD? Well, it's a bit of a mouthful, but SCHD stands for Schwab US Dividend Equity ETF. This exchange-traded fund, or ETF for short, is a powerful tool that can help you maximize your portfolio income. SCHD is designed to track the performance of high dividend-yielding US stocks. These are companies that have a strong track record of paying out dividends to their shareholders. And these dividends, my friends, can provide a steady stream of income for investors, which can be a real game changer in terms of your investment strategy. But what kind of companies are we talking about? Well, the SCHD portfolio is comprised of a diverse range of companies across various sectors. This includes some of the biggest names in the industry, companies that have not only weathered economic storms but have come out stronger. They are the stalwarts of the business world, the tried and true performers. Now let's talk numbers. The annual yield percentage of SCHD is something to behold. As of now, it stands at around 3%. Yes, you heard that right, 3%. That's a very competitive rate compared to many other investment options out there. But it's not just about the numbers. It's about the performance history too. Over the last decade, SCHD has consistently outperformed many of its peers in the ETF universe. It has shown resilience in the face of market volatility and has provided solid returns for its investors. So, how does SCHD contribute to maximizing portfolio income? By providing a consistent and reliable source of dividends, it can help to boost your income stream, and as we all know, in the world of investing, a steady income can make a world of difference. Impressive, isn't it? But let's not stop here. Let's move on to VYM. Now, on to VYM. What makes VYM stand out? Let's dive into the world of the Vanguard High Dividend Yield ETF, or as the cool kids call it, VYM. This powerhouse isn't just another ETF on the block. VYM is a fund that aims to track the performance of the FTSE High Dividend Yield Index, an index that measures the investment return of common stocks of companies characterized by high dividend yields. This ETF has a unique allure. It's like the friend who always has a knack for finding the best deals in town. VYM is designed for investors looking for income, as it focuses on companies that have a higher-than-average dividend yield. It's like having a magnet that pulls in the best opportunities for cash flow into your portfolio. Now let's talk numbers. The annual yield percentage of VYM has been impressive. As of today, it stands at a solid 3.2%. This is the result of meticulous stock picking, focusing on companies that have consistently provided high dividends. It's like having your cake and eating it too, with both income and potential for growth. But VYM isn't just about dividends. The fund also has a strong performance history. Over the past decade, VYM has shown consistent growth, outperforming many of its peers. It's like the silent achiever in the class, constantly delivering results without making a fuss. The beauty of VYM lies in its potential to maximize portfolio income. By focusing on high dividend-yielding companies, it provides a steady stream of income, making it a valuable addition to any investment portfolio. Think of it as an investment workhorse, tirelessly contributing to your financial goals day in and day out. In a nutshell, VYM is a robust, high-performing ETF that offers a promising combination of income and growth. It's like a well-rounded athlete, excelling in both sprints and marathons, offering both short-term gains and long-term growth. Quite a powerhouse, right? But we have one more ETF to explore. Lastly, but definitely not least, let's talk about VIG. This stands for Vanguard Dividend Appreciation ETF, a heavyweight in the world of exchange-traded funds. The name itself is a hint at its key strategy. It's all about appreciating dividends. But what does that mean exactly? Well, simply put, this fund focuses on companies that have a track record of consistently increasing their dividends over time. It's a strategy that has proven to be quite successful and one that can contribute significantly to maximizing your portfolio income. VIG's annual yield percentage might not be the highest out there, but let's not forget that with investment, it's not just about the immediate yield. It's about the long-term growth, and that's where VIG truly shines. It has consistently delivered solid performance, and its focus on dividend growth means that it's well-positioned to continue doing so. To get a bit more specific, VIG primarily invests in large-cap companies. These are the big players, the ones that have stood the test of time. They're the kind of companies that are likely to keep growing their dividends, providing a steady stream of income that can help to boost your portfolio. But VIG isn't just about dividend growth, it also offers diversification with a portfolio that spans across various sectors. This means that it's not overly dependent on any one area of the market, which can help to reduce risk. So, if you're looking for a fund that offers both potential for growth and income, VIG could be a great addition to your portfolio. It combines the best of both worlds, providing a way to benefit from the growth of large-cap companies while also reaping the rewards of their increasing dividends. Now that we've taken a look at SCHD, VYM, and VIG, let's wrap things up. So, are SCHD, VYM, and VIG the missing pieces in your portfolio income maximization puzzle? Let's take a moment to reflect on what we've learned. Firstly, we delved into the SCHD or Schwab US Dividend Equity ETF. Remember, this beauty is an ETF that tracks a dividend-weighted index of 100 US stocks. With its focus on high dividend yielders and companies with a 10-year record of paying dividends, SCHD can provide your portfolio with a steady income stream. And let's not forget its annual yield percentage that's enough to make any investor sit up and take notice. Next, we explored the potential of VYM, the Vanguard High Dividend Yield ETF. This fund is all about providing broad exposure to US companies with high dividend yields. It's diversified, it's low cost, and it's managed by one of the most respected names in the investment industry. The annual yield percentage of VYM is certainly worth considering when you're looking to beef up your portfolio's income. Lastly, we unveiled the virtues of VIG, the Vanguard Dividend Appreciation ETF. This one is a bit different, as it focuses on companies that have a record of increasing their dividends over time. It's all about growth potential, and the annual yield percentage of VIG is evidence of its capacity to add some serious punch to your portfolio income. To wrap it all up, SCHD, VYM, and VIG each have their unique strengths. They can provide your portfolio with a mix of stability, diversification, and growth potential. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, these three dividend ETFs can play a significant role in maximizing your portfolio income. Remember, investing is not a sprint, but a marathon. It's about making informed decisions, diversifying your portfolio, and staying the course, even when the market gets tough. If you found this content helpful, do not forget to subscribe, like, and share. Stay tuned for more insights and surprising facts in the world of investing.